Bergström Ridder 23. Today I was out and testing one very fast retro racer from 1993. It's the Bergström Ridder 23 from 1993, and it's the first boat ever built, sail number 1, and it was designed and built. The ideas came from Stillefors, and it's almost 23 feet long, 420 kilos, that 926 pounds, a very light build. It has a keel with less than 100 kilo in, and no form stability whatsoever. It didn't start out that good. We forgot the key to the trailer, and it didn't end that well either, but we will come to that. Retro racer number 1 in Sweden, one of the fastest 23 feet boats ever built in the world.
Pushing the boat to the limits in 2 meters per second.
The performance is supposed to be exceptional and close to many multi-hulls.
I think if we go up to starboard here now, you can also go in
It's my friend Jonthan that bought the boat, and it has the original sails on, so they are 31 years old almost. None of us have sailed this type of boat before, but we managed to set all the lines correctly, I think, and also we raised the Spinnaker, the asymmetric, after about 3 minutes. Fantastic. Spinnaker up after 5 minutes sailing. Trim. It was super light wind, but we wanted to try the trapeze. Anyway, it's double trapeze on this boat. Planing kicks in very early, and you are supposed to plane at good condition, even a bit upwind. We didn't manage that, of course, in this light wind. It has a 5 feet bowsprit, but not only that, you can rotate the bowsprit to windward to go deeper and still keep the jib up. We were sailing quite far away, tacking upwind, but then suddenly the wind died completely, and when we were stuck, we started to paddle back in very low speed, but then a motorboat came to rescue and towed us in to the harbor, luckily. All in all, a very interesting retro racing from the early 90s that I would like to test out in steady breeze or even more to see its performance. I guess it will be quite demanding, but very fast. Thanks for now. Have a great time. You can watch much more Bergström Ridder 23 sailing and others on Torkel Stillefors YouTube channel. I will link. Jonthan lost concentration due to a seal that were in front of us. It dived down.